how to add your own photo to the keyboard on Android phone. So if you're tired of default Android's keyboard and you wanna customize it a bit and set your own photo, I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to open Play Store and make sure that Gboard is installed on your phone. On some devices, it is installed by default, but if not, you can just always go in Play Store and download it from here. It is absolutely free. So after installation, go in the settings, scroll down to this section, General Management, and tap on that, and choose Keyboard List and Default. So here we need to enable Gboard first, so we'll be able to use it. Just tap on the switch and in the pop-up window choose OK. Now we need to set Gboard as the default keyboard. So tap Default Keyboard and from Samsung switch to Gboard. Now you will see that your default keyboard is now Gboard, but it is still a little bit plain, so just white. How to set the own photo? For that, what you can do is you can go back in the settings and tap on the Gboard section itself. Now just select Theme and tap the plus down below My Themes. With this way, you will access your gallery, so you just need to find photo you would like to set as your keyboard background. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's just adjust it and tap Next. Now customize it. Adjust the brightness, tap Done, and additionally you can enable or disable key borders. And then whenever you're ready, tap Apply. Now let's check the result. And yep, now we just set the own photo as keyboard background. Now, each time you would like to change the photo, you can just tap on the palette icon above the keyboard and you will immediately access the theme setting where you can switch to any different theme from the list. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.